The industry of motorcycles is suffering from declining participation rates. Here in North America, we're not getting young riders at the same rate we were 15 years ago. In Europe, while we're still seeing riding participation growing, it's at a much slower rate. With the trends globally of urbanization, two-wheel mobility becomes a great solution, particularly the young urban audience, where we think the electrification of motorcycling is going to be a big step forward. Motorcycling carries some baggage as a sport. One of the challenges is getting young people onto motorcycles. There are different solutions across the globe. In France, young teenagers can access motorcycles under 50cc before they can even apply for a driving license. That allows that first sense of freedom to be a motorcycling experience. For young professionals today, ownership models have changed dramatically because it's a subscription environment versus an ownership environment. And we need to make sure that motorcycles fit into that portfolio. While scooters are growing quite well in Asia, the overall small motorcycle market is an incredible size. India, China, Indonesia, Thailand are the 4 largest markets on the planet, and that's where the vast majority of motorcycles are sold. We need to keep that going because they are the hotbed of the industry. In the United States, people can access motorcycles less than 50cc with just a car license. And as we move into the world of electric vehicles, we have to make sure that we're equating electric vehicles into the legislative environment so that people understand how they can access the different power levels of electric vehicles and how that relates to which license they need. Another challenge the entire transportation infrastructure is facing is the environmental pressure. Different cities are starting to implement legislation that are going to change how their transportation network works. The city of Hanoi has made the statement that they are going to be internal combustion engine free by 2030. The same thing is happening in Europe. Paris is talking about becoming internal combustion engine free. London is making noise about it as well. We know that everybody's going to be changing their mode of transportation at that moment. They are prone to shift into becoming motorcyclists, so we need to be ready for them.